Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Liz the Stylist. Today I'll be trying out a new mini twists method, which is mini twists on stretched hair. I straightened my hair and I did not add any product. You could use some heat protectant, to protect your hair from heat, but don't add any other products. So I sectioned my hair into 3 sections because it's easier to work in sections. I love using a rat tail comb because it gives me those neat partings, and especially when you're doing your own hair, this comes in handy because the sectioning is so much easier. I love starting off my twists with braiding first, and then I transition into twisting as compared to twisting from the roots, because I find that they serve me for longer when I use this method. But you could also try twisting it from the roots. But if you have finer hair, I'd advise you to start off with a braid and then transition into twisting. You can see that the twists are a bit flat. They're not fluffy because there's no moisture in my hair. Again, because I straightened, but we'll sort that out after we are done with the twists. I'll show you how we'll make them fluffy. This is how the twists stand out. They are neat and flat. I sprayed some water, enough to feel like the hair is damp. And then I went in with some leave-in treatment. You could also add some oil to lock in the moisture. So this is the final look, guys. As you can see, they've gotten fluffier. You should try this method if you find it hard to work with wet hair. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you on the next one. Bye.